Fourth graders, how's it going? It is Mr. Berglund, and it is time for part 2 of our waves and light test. So, what I'm going to ask you to do is please take out your science notebook, a pencil, a pen. You're going to need a pen for this, and then some coloring supplies, markers or colored pencils if you would like to use those. You don't have to, but it could be beneficial for what I'm going to be asking you to do. Okay, so once you have your journal and your supplies out, please open to the next blank page and put today's date, which is, I don't know what it is, because if you're watching this, I am not there. So please put the date at the top. Okay, and then the title of this page is going to be Waves and Light Test Part 2. Okay, the title of this page is Waves and Light Test Part 2. Okay, now this is open notes. Look at right here, open notes. Yay! So you can use any notes that you took in your science notebook. You may not talk with another classmate, but you may use your notes. Okay, so question number 1. You can see question number 1 right here. You do not have to write the question. You do not have to write the question. All I'm asking you to do is write number 1 at the top, so I know you are responding and answering to question number 1. Here's question number 1 right here. You can read this. Draw a transverse wave. Okay, that's step 1. Draw a transverse wave. Next, label the parts of the wave and describe or define what they are. Note, you should label the medium, crest, trough, wavelength, and amplitude. So, first part of this question, you need to draw a transverse wave. Then you need to label the parts of the wave. And here, right here, I give you the parts of the wave that you need to that you need to label. So when you are going to do the medium, you're going to draw an arrow next to the part where the medium is and write the word medium. So I know that you are pointing to the medium of the wave or the part that the wave is, okay? After you have labeled all the parts of the wave, you're going to have to write a few sentences or maybe a sentence for each part of the wave and explain what it is. So think back to your transverse wave project. All the definitions and explanations you gave for each part of the wave, just do that. But I need to understand if you know what the parts of the wave are. Okay? And then question number 2. Again, you do not have to write the question. All you have to do is write number 2 right here. Write number 2. I know you're responding to question number 2. You're going to use these pictures. Let me go ahead. I'll go blue. Use these pictures to help you answer the question. Here we go. Look at the picture above. Please draw these 2 transverse waves with your answer. Here's the question. Which wave? Wave 1. Look at, I label wave 1, wave 2. Which wave would have the higher pitch? Please explain what 2 factors affect how high or low the pitch of a sound is. Based on the picture above, how can you tell that wave 1 has a different pitch compared to wave 2? Note, be sure you drew both of these waves. Okay, so this question is asking a few things. First, I want you to do is draw both waves, and you need to label which one is which. So you're going to draw wave 1 in your science notebook, and you're also going to write and draw wave 2. Then I want you to explain which wave, either which wave 1 or wave 2, which wave has the higher pitch. Please explain what 2 factors affect how high or low the pitch of a sound is. Again, you can use your notes. What determines how high or low a pitch is? And then based on the pictures, how can you tell that wave 1 will have a different pitch compared to wave 2? What differences in the wave, what parts of the wave do you notice are different, which will affect the highness or lowness of the pitch? Okay, those are your 2 questions for part 2 of our waves and light test. Okay, good luck, kiddos. I believe in you. You can do it.